Drinking lots of liquids and oral rehydration salts, or ORS, is the most effective, least expensive way to treat dehydration caused by diarrhea. Diarrhea usually cures itself in 3 to 4 days with rehydration. The real danger is the loss of liquids and nutrients from the body, which can cause dehydration and malnutrition. A simple solution is ORS, which is now saving over 1 million young lives a year and can be easily prepared at home. For a 1-liter solution, you just need 6 teaspoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 liter of clean drinking water. Blend the mixture well until the sugar and salt dissolves. This ratio of the ingredients matches what the body needs to recover from a diarrheal illness and starts working quickly. And dehydration usually gets better within 3 to 4 hours. Don't drink ORS on an empty stomach, because it may lead to mild nausea and vomiting. These effects can be decreased by taking this product slowly in small amounts with a spoon. If any of these effects persist or worsen, contact your doctor. Finally, too much sugar can worsen diarrhea, and excess salts can be dangerous if you are giving it to a child. This channel is made to help you know your body better. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any videos in the future about your body.